Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, an artist, textile artist, art teacher, art textiles teacher. In today's video we're going to be doing another smocking piece, a leaf pattern. It's one that I haven't done for quite some time, and thinking back I think I've done it maybe 3 other times using different types of fabrics, and today I'm going to use a very delicate cotton fabric. It's like a flesh coloured. So hope you enjoy and let's get into the video. I haven't tried this leaf pattern for absolutely ages. I can think of one particular time in my mind where I've probably done it on, I think it was on some blue satin fabric that I had, and it was such a long time ago. So yeah, I thought that we would do this one today, and the fabric that I'm going to use is some of this that I cut up recently, and just cut it to obviously the A3 size there. And I don't need the light box, I can just draw the design through the fabric, pretty transparent without the light box. I'm just going to use a pencil today and transfer the design. I'm hoping that this fabric, this kind of fleshy coloured cotton thin fabric, is going to hold the design really nicely. Oops, missed one out there. A delicate sort of fabric, so. Okay, I'll do the rest. Okay then, so I've got all of the design onto this fabric. And now we are ready to sew. Best bit. Okay, let me show you how to start this off. So, upholstery thread, needle, tie your knot, opposite end to your needle. Here we go. And start up here. Small stitch. Pull till you get to your knot, down to the bottom, right there. And then we're going to gather the fabric in. Boom. Pop another stitch over where you came up, take your needle through the loop, tie a knot, there we go, and then we're going to go over to the top here of this next diagonal, pop a little stitch in. This time we don't want this thread to gather the fabric in, so we need to put another stitch over the top of it. So that that thread remains flat. Then we're going to head down over here, small stitch to the end of this diagonal, pull your thread to gather the fabric in, and pop a little stitch over the top like that. Pull that in, tie a knot. Are we grasping this? Let's keep going. So we're going to go over horizontally. This one we don't want to gather the fabric in, so we need to put another little stitch over the top. And then it's a diagonal, so we are going to repeat. Gather your fabric, pinch the 2 bits there of your fabric over the top with your thread, pull your needle through, loop, take your needle through, and then over to this side. So it's kind of traversing from one side to the other. So another little stitch, and then we're going down the diagonal. So hopefully we've got this, and I'll just get that column done and show you how that looks. And now that that's done, I've just flipped it over. Right now it's like that. And then we just do another 2 rows and you will start to see the leaf taking shape. So I think I'll probably just do that so that you can see the process. That is 2 columns done. I don't think it's going to show the complete leaf design with this. No, it's not. So I need to do another 2 to show you. So I'll just turn it over and get another one done, and then you'll see it develop. Back to the top. Layla, you coming to say hello? finally, after 3 columns, I've got a couple more to do, but you can see the design now starting to develop. So just finally, to finish this off then, that is the leaf pattern. I love it on that fabric as well. It's really, really delicate, very apt. Love that. And that is obviously the design, so very happy with the results. That's the back if you're interested. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. I'm running a bit of a series on doing various different smocking patterns using different fabrics and things. So I hope you're enjoying these tutorials, and if you did enjoy this one today, please like and subscribe and comment. Alright then, take care and I'll see you in the very next video.